Good morning. Alright, so it's about 2 weeks in. This giant tree aloe here, Aloe Ferox, is been starting to bloom in December here. So we've had this large aloe for 6 years now. You can see how big it is. It's pretty big. And I really like this variety. So it's really strikingly beautiful. And what I like about it is you can see the spines. It doesn't have spines on the top of the leaf, but it will have them on the bottom here, and sometimes they'll go away as the plant matures and gets taller. See the spines under there? So also this kind of aloe, when these flowers started to form, they look different than most aloes, so I found them really interesting. So I just like this aloe a lot, and it's been, I think, 6 years again. I've been patient waiting for it to bloom, and we'll see the exact color here in a little bit. So I'll give it a few weeks, and when all the flowers open up and it's at its peak, I will show that part next here. Alright, be patient. Okay, so there it is 6 weeks later. Beautiful, huh? They open from the bottom up, and I should say it's actually 6 weeks and 3 days later. But Aloe Ferox does not disappoint. So I love the structure of these. They're very tall, and just the shape and color, really more orange than salmon. And I am very stoked that this is happening here. However, I did not assume that they would just open from the bottom up. I thought they would be more, I don't know, random. I could be wrong. So this variety is not as spiny as some others, as you can see here, and it does not need much water, just needs a lot of drainage. So I have another variety that should make a yellow flower, and hopefully we'll be able to show it off soon. I can't remember the name offhand, sorry. But this is Aloe Ferox, hardy to the low 20s, native to South Africa, and beautiful, beautiful flowers, as you can see here. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We'll keep them coming, and hopefully we'll have more beautiful blooming aloes in the future, in the middle of winter. So that is definitely a big positive about San Diego and Southern California, is that you can grow these and have beautiful flowers in your garden in the middle of winter. Alright, take care. Bam!